Welcome to Kanidam channel. Today we see exercise 7.1. Question number 1. Write the fraction representing the shaded portion. Number 1. Here the total number of boxes is 4. Boxes shaded equal to 2. Write the total number of boxes in the denominator. Number of boxes shaded is 2. Write the shaded boxes in the numerator. So the answer is 2 by 4. Number 2. Total number of boxes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So write total number of boxes in the denominator. Number of boxes shaded is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So write 8 in the numerator. Therefore the fraction is 8 by 9. Number 3. Here number of shapes, total number of shapes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total number of shapes is 8. Number of shapes shaded equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore the fraction is 4 by 8. Fourth one. Total number of parts is 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the total number of parts in the denominator. Number of parts shaded is 1. Shaded part should be right in the numerator. Therefore the fraction is 1 by 4. Let's see number 5. Total number of boxes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number of boxes shaded is 1, 2, 3. Therefore the fraction is 3 by 7. Sixth one. Total number of shapes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Write total number of shapes in the denominator. Number of shaded shapes is 1, 2, 3. Write the shaded shapes in the numerator. Therefore the fraction is 3 by 12. Seventh one. Here the total number of shapes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number of shaded shapes is also 10. So therefore the fraction is 10 by 10. Eighth one. Total number of parts is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Write total number of parts in the denominator. Number of shaded parts is 1, 2, 3, 4. Write the shaded parts in the numerator. Therefore the fraction is 4 by 9. Ninth one. Total number of shapes is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Number of shaded shape is 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, the fraction is 4 by 8. Tenth one. Total number of parts is 1, 2. Number of parts shaded is 1. Therefore, the fraction is 1 by 2. Question number 2. Color the part according to the given fraction. Number 1, 1 by 6. So the total parts is 6. You want to shade one part. Number 2, 1 by 4. Number 3, 1 by 3. Total parts is 3. So the shaded parts is 1. Three by 4. Total parts is 4. The shaded parts is 3. So 1, 2, 3. 5. 4 by 9. The total parts is 9. The shaded part should be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Question number 3. Identify the error if any. This is 1 by 2, this is 1 by 4, this is 3 by 4. Since the given figures are not divided equally, they do not represent the fraction. So, the parts are not equal in the 3 figures. The parts are not equal. Question number 4. What fraction of a day is 8 hours? We know that 1 day equal to 24 hours. Therefore, fraction equal to 8 by 24. Therefore, 8 hours is equal to 8 by 24. Question number 5. What fraction of an hour is 40 minutes? We know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Therefore, fraction of 40 minutes is equal to 40 by 60. Question number 6. Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek shared lunch. Arya has brought 2 sandwiches, one made of vegetables and one of jam. The other 2 boys forgot to bring their lunch. Arya agreed to share his sandwiches so that each person will have an equal share of each sandwich. A part. How can Arya divide his sandwiches so that each person has an equal share? Arya will divide both sandwiches into 3 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 equal parts. And give one part each to all of them. Therefore, each sandwich is divided into 3 parts. B part. What part of sandwich will each boy receive? Each boy receive 2 by 6 of the sandwiches. So the total parts is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Each boy receive 2 by 6 of the sandwiches. Question number 7. Kanchan dyes dresses. She had to dye 30 dresses. She has so far finished 20 dresses. What fraction of dresses has she finished? Total dresses equal to 30. She has so far finished is 20 dresses. Total dresses equal to 30. Dresses she finished equal to 20. Therefore, fraction equal to 20 by 30. Question number 8. Write the natural numbers from 2 to 12. What fraction of them are prime numbers? Natural numbers from 2 to 12 equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Prime number from these are prime number equal to 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11. So, prime number are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Therefore, total number of natural numbers from 2 to 12 equal to 11. Number of prime number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Therefore, fraction equal to 5 by 11. Question number 9. Write the natural numbers from 102 to 113. What fraction of them are prime numbers? Natural numbers from 102 to 113 equal to 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113. Prime number from these equal to so what are the prime number? 103, 107, 109 and 113. 103, 107, 109, 113. Total number of natural numbers from 102 to 113 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Total number of natural numbers from 102 to 113 is 12. total number of prime number equal to 4. Therefore, fraction equal to number of prime numbers by total numbers. Question number 10. What fraction of these circles have x in them? Total circle equal to 8. Circle of x equal to 4. Therefore, fraction equal to number of circle with x by total number of circle. Therefore, 4 by 8. Question number 11. Christine received a CD player for her birthday. She bought 3 CDs and received 5 others as gift. What fraction of her total CDs did she buy and what fraction did she receive as gifts? CDs bought equal to 3. CDs received as gift equal to 5. Total CD equal to 3 plus 5 which is equal to 8. Fraction of CDs bought equal to 3 by 8. Fraction of CD received equal to 5 by 8. CD bought equal to 3, CD received as gift equal to 5, total CD equal to 3 plus 5, 8. Fraction of CD bought equal to 3 by 8. Fraction of CD received as gift equal to 5 by 8.